Yeah. So toppers question answer given by Dr. Veera Prakash. So one of the yesterday one student who is preparing IIT advanced exam. So now I am explaining what I explained. So this is the IIT advanced question can be expected, and one of the student asked me how to they solve the problem. So anyone having the advanced organic for NEET or JEE or advanced exam, IIT advanced exam also you can be asked. You can contact me. My number is 779 817 68244. So you can search online Dr. Battini Veeraprakash. Right, thank you. So now this is the compound they given, and by using of so anhydride AlCl3 by various reagents they given, and we have to find the so what are the product in that what is the major product and what is the minor product. And another one of the IIT student who is preparing so asked me this question. So now this is the which is the more acidic. So I given this is the answer why because alpha position bromine is there. So hereafter I daily I can discuss the advanced level questions. Right. So this can be we can see that the resonance stabilization you can see once this anion because of carbonyl is there, and here carbon is there at even at alpha position bromine is there, so that there is a highly acidic nature. And come to the our main problem. So now this is the question. So where electrophilic this substitution reaction undergoes by using of anhydride, so Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So we know that because it is a unpaired electron is there, and LCl3 can attack here and cleavage of bonds, so carbonyl as electrophile, but where the electrophile will attack, that is the question. So we can see that there are the three possible structures are there, 1 2 3, but in which position electrophile can attack, that is the question. So now we know that this is the LCl3 attack here, and so the bond will break carbonyl, because this is the major problem, because now these two positions there is a steric hindrance is there. So now it can form like this compound. So carbonyl is there, CH2 and COOH. So another product is another isomer is that this side product. So now another isomer is that this one, C double bond O and CH2 COH. So next reagent is zinc amalgam hydrochloric acid, that is called like Clemmensen reduction. So carbonyl group can convert it into CH2 group. So then so another one they given H3PO3. Next step is by using of this carboxylic acid, H3PO3 act as a weak acid. So now this because OH become OH2 plus, and it is very good living group. So now electrophile like that reaction cyclization taking place like this, you can see very nice cyclization, then elimination of proton. So then finally we'll get this compound, and finally by using of so this product and methyl magnesium bromide 1,2 addition reaction, so and heating loss of water, so the target product can be obtained. So then I also explained to the student, so 1 comma 1 3 alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds, methyl magnesium bromide or alkyl lithium, so they are very strong nucleophiles. So 1,2 addition is the major product. So 1,2 addition, if the products are like dimethyl cadmium or dialkyl lithium cuprate Gilman reagent, so now the reaction is that at 1,4 addition reaction. So I was explaining to students, for example, very nicely you can see here the very important this question for IIT G advanced exam. So now dimethyl at 1,4 the product, and also so this is the mechanism I explained. So this is the mechanism how the nucleophile attack and how this additional product, and so that so I also explained some of the reactions. For example, now ketone is there and CHCO ester can be reduced. So how can be reduced to this one, because carbonyl is there, so we have to protect the a carbonyl by using of ethylene glycol, and so then for example you can see now we can use the aldehyde sodium borohydride in methanol, it can convert into alcohol. Ester is there and ketone by using of sodium hydrohydride, so ester only can reduce, aldehydes only can reduce, aldehydes or ketones, lithium aluminum both can reduce. So we won't get the target compound. So what I explained to students, first we have to protect the carbonyl compound by using ethylene glycol, then the protection, then a reduction using lithium aluminum hydride, so alcohol, then followed by a dilute HCl, so D protection, so that we will get the a target. Now this is the a target compound. So I also explain some of the important reagents to the students. One is the alcohol. So primary alcohol can be reduced to potassium dichromate H2SO4 to alcohol. Why it is oxidation is happening? Because of at alpha position 2 hydrogens are there. So that's why highly reactive we can't control. So chromium trioxide H2SO4 acetone is called Jones reagent. So then this is the, so very important, these esters or acyl chloride can be converted into aldehydes by using of dibal, so diisobutyl aluminum hydride, and very important. So another oxidation is that the PCC reagent alcohols can be converted into aldehydes, and very important. Then another oxidation reaction is that Swern oxidation, so oxyl chloride and DMSO triethylamine. So this is the mechanism it follows, and so the important is that, so what is the Swern oxidation important? There is no metal ion, but the problem is that this oxyl chloride is highly toxic chemical, but it is also a primary alcohols can be converted into aldehydes. So this is the question from IITG advanced question. Thank you.